Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto markets. So the week started off absolutely explosive for cryptocurrency, with Bitcoin reaching over $44,000 and altcoins having a major rally across the board. Now many are wondering, what does happen next? Will prices retrace back down to their local lows, or will we continue pushing up higher? Well, in this video, I'll be hopping into the charts to answer those questions. So if that does interest you, be sure to stick with me until the very end of this video. And if you are new to Crypto Empire, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all bell notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And let the gains be with you. So to start off this video, let's take a look at the overall cryptocurrency market cap to get our bearing straight before we go ahead and hop into the charts. You can see at this moment in time, we do have a $2.11 trillion market cap. We are back up over that $2 trillion hump, which in my opinion is very bullish for the entire crypto market. We have Bitcoin trading at $44,100. It hit our exact measured move price target that we did discuss last week. Cue the clip right here. If you're wondering what the technical target would be for this breakout, we can do that by measuring the flagpole. So we would take it from this resistance level down to the bottom of the wedge over here. We would go ahead and we would move that over to our breakout line, and we can see that this breakout would take us to just about $44,400, which is indeed this pretty key resistance level as well. This is the top of the range. So now you can see that Bitcoin did hit that exact target to a T. This is the beauty of price action trading and measure move price targets. It allows you to know where price is headed next. It's not magic, it's simply price action. We'll be getting to the charts in just 1 second. We also have Ethereum trading at $3,157. We have BNB trading at $435. XRP, major gainer as of today. It's almost like we called this one out last week. Cue the clip right here. If you want to know where I'm looking to actually take profits, I'm not going to be greedy at all. I will look to take a scalp profit over here at around 69 cents. Let's make that green. And I would look to take another profit target over here at about 75 cents. I like the nice psychological round number. And then I would look again at another level right here. About 85 cents looks pretty good on XRP. So we did lay that one up for you on a silver platter, that XRP move. As you can see from the price charts, price did break out exactly as predicted from this symmetrical pennant down here at the bottom. And from the outline breakout level, by the way, we did just hit the third outline target that I outlined for you in that video last week. That is a 33% gain. Congratulations to the Crypto Empire community. If you did decide to go ahead and take this trade on your own, if you are interested in more of my trades, go ahead and join my free Telegram group down in the description below. Crypto Empire is the most profitable community in cryptocurrency, and we would love to have you in that Telegram group. Now let's go ahead and also take a look at what else is in the top 10 right now. Cardano trading at $1.25, Solana 118, DOT at 22, and Terra sitting at 59.68. So the top 10 is unfazed, and these moves today were absolutely explosive. Now with that being said, let's go ahead and hop into the price charts, take a look at what's going on with Bitcoin, and then we'll be getting into some altcoins as well. So looking at the daily price chart, you can see we did have a very monstrous green day. We broke above this critical trend line. This trend line does go back to the all-time high that we had over here at $64,000 in April of 2021. I've shown this many times, but all we did was connect that high to the September $53,000 high. We used this area as support, and we did just break out above this major trendline resistance area today. So the bulls, without a doubt, are in control of price action at this moment in time. But the question on everybody's mind is, what happens now? Do we have a major retracement and go back and test some of our previous resistance levels and now use them as support? Or do we actually continue to push up higher? So let's get into that right now. I'm going to drop down to a 4-hour price chart. And you can see as of this moment in time, we have formed this uptrend line, right, on the 4-hour, and from the origin of this uptrend line down here at about $36,200, you can see we did pump up 22%. So Bitcoin ascended $8,500 in 5 days. So that is definitely a major move. With these big, explosive, volatile moves to the upside, we usually do get a pullback afterwards. So it wouldn't necessarily surprise me if we went and tested some of these previous levels as support now. We do have our first one over here, this previous resistance level at 41,800. We do have this rally-based demand zone at 40,500. And then we have that breakout level at 39,300. So again, it's possible we retest, and that would be fine, because if we were to retest and pull back, altcoins would obviously retest as well, and that would set us up for excellent entries in the charts. Now, I do want to drop this down to a 1 hour and point your attention, and really I'm going to redraw this. So we can go ahead and draw these trend lines like so, and we kind of do have a bull flag playing out right now. We'll see if this does break out to the upside. A bull flag is a bullish continuation pattern, and the measure move of the bull flag would take us around $46,000 if this does actually play out to the upside. So it does look like the shorts are going to be getting squeezed again. Notice the volume profile down here at the bottom of my screen. You can see we do have volume dropping off, and that is textbook. That's exactly what you want to see. We do have this explosive volume with the move leading in to the flag, right? Our flagpole has explosive volume. Then we're in a consolidation. Notice the volume dropping off. Then on the breakout, you want to see volume pick up. So as of right now, this is setting up to be a very nice bull flag breakout on Bitcoin. We'll see if it does give us $46,000. But let's not be greedy here. We just had an $8,500 move. We called this move precisely here at Crypto Empire. So what does happen next? Well, listen, we do have this bull flag on the table. So look out for this breakout to the upside in the relative short term. Also, we can take a look at MATIC, because MATIC was another trade discussed last week. And you can see that it did play out not bad. So we took our breakout level over here at 174. We put our stop down here at 151. First target at 190. And you can see that we did actually go ahead and we did smash target number one over at 190. We are now sitting at $2.02. So again, this was laid out for you on a silver platter. Congratulations if you did actually make moves on, or make gains on this MATIC trade. If you're still in, you can go ahead and move your stop loss up to this new support area. Completely up to you. Completely up to you how you want to do it as a trader. And then we also can take a look at Harmony One. That was another trade that was discussed in one of last week's videos. These were actually the only three discussed in the videos last week, right? MATIC, XRP, and One. And you can see we have taken our breakout over here at 20 cents, and we have not hit any targets yet, but price has established new support over here at about 19.5 cents. So just so your stop loss isn't sitting all the way down here, right? That's not necessary. You're definitely going to want to move it up to that new support level. And then with that being said, we can also take a look at Cardano ADA. Now ADA had an explosive move, and this was a trade that I was personally waiting for on ADA. So we did take the entry down here at 108, first target at 120. And you can see we did actually smash target number one today to a T. We can take a look at the Crypto Empire Premium Discord group and see that this trade was laid out on January 31st. Our entry 108, stop at 99 cents, target one at 119. And as you can see, first target was hit. We go ahead and move our stop loss up. So this is a risk-free trade at this moment in time. And our Cardano trade did treat our pockets quite well indeed. So there's a lot of money to be made right now in the markets. Everybody was saying that the sky was falling, Chicken Little, it's the end of the world, Bitcoin's going to $16,000. Where did they go? I'm looking around. I don't see them anywhere. What happened? I'm curious, really. What happened to all the bears all of a sudden? Here at Crypto Empire, we were expecting this because we look at the data and we don't act off our emotions. We look at the objective facts of the market, the on-chain data, the price action. Price action literally does tell all. Once you learn to read price action, things are going to be making a lot more sense. We can also take a look at Terra Luna and see that Luna did have a pop up to $60 today. I did lay this one out in the Discord group. As you can see, I first went for this Luna trade on, when was this? The 5th of February. I believe this was Saturday. Yeah, Saturday. But unfortunately, on the weekends, we have very choppy, unreliable price action. Let's drop this down to a 1 hour chart because I want to dissect what actually happened here over the weekend, because this is a great learning lesson for any new traders out there. So on Luna, I could just see that we were going to pop to $60.60. And it's quite funny. That was my profit target. As you can see, these are unedited Discord posts, right? 60.60 as the target. Look at the high here. 60.64. Okay, we were 4 cents off of that high. Again, price action will tell you exactly where to put your profit targets. But on Luna, over the weekend, what did I see here that made me want to take this trade? Well, I saw this symmetrical pennant on the 1 hour. Obviously, the 1 hour time frame on a Saturday with low trading volume is going to be much less reliable. But look what happened here. I was taking the breakout to the upside. Breakout level right around here at 57.81. It wicked me in quickly. Price just slammed back down, right? So a little wick in, false breakout to the upside, slam everybody, stop everybody out to the downside, go back, test support over here at 53 before we go ahead and push upwards again. And then I saw a price setting back up, and this is just like a home run to me. It's a no-brainer when I see something like this setting up. And I did actually go ahead and call this trade today, and it did turn out to actually be a winner. As you can see right here, we made great gains, a day trade on Luna. I don't typically day trade, I'm a swing trader, but when I see a setup like that, after I already got wicked out that one time and it sets up again, I got wicked out over here on Saturday, I said, yeah, I'm going to take this one again, and the target was hit. We want to make sure that we have a solid risk-reward ratio, and this was a very nice 3-to-1, over a 3-to-1 trade. And on Luna, I do want to show you, if we head back to a 4 hour, and on Luna, we do have this picture-perfect inverse head and shoulders chart pattern. As you can see, we do have our left shoulder right here. We got our head and we got our right shoulder. Volume profile is exactly what you want to see, with your left shoulder having the most volume pickup coming out of the head, exactly what you want to see, and then your right shoulder having the lowest volume out of it all, and then some breakout volume as well. Volume picks back up on the breakout. So that's exactly what you want to see. And then measure move of this breakout of the inverse head and shoulders, if we take it from the bottom of the head to the neckline and just move it over. As you can see, that measured move would take us to about $66 on Luna. All right, so we'll see what does happen here on Luna, but again, that measured move breakout is $66. And I understand as well that a lot of the crypto empire wants to see my fundamental analysis on altcoins. And I understand, because I also love diving into the research, into the nitty-gritty of these projects and getting into their fundamental value. So throughout the week, I will be posting a ton of content of fundamental analysis, as well as some TA mixed in there on altcoins that I am looking at. Less trading, more so investing for the bull run overall, as well as going into the future. So be sure to stick around. Hope you enjoyed this little trading session right here.